Okay, we are doing DMR Ja number 6. Make sure you have your first name and your last name if you are working on the computer. We're going to end up doing both if you're in school. And so the first thing you need to recognize, and you're going to write this bigger, that says negative b is greater than or less than 6. Okay, we're going to make that a bigger b so you can tell. Now, you see that negative sign? What you need to think about is how many b's do I have? You have 1. So therefore, you need to make sure that you type that or write it or whatever. Okay. And the reason why you do that is because now you recognize that you need to move that negative number over to the other side. So that's pretty easy. I'm going to divide by -1. Now again, our key concept says if it is multiplied or divided by a negative number, then this side must be flipped. So therefore, the first thing that we're going to do is flip this sign. And then you can put b is less than or equal to -6. Your reflection will be to graph this. So make sure that you put your point of -6. Notice that this has the little line underneath it, so it means it can be equal to. So that is a closed line. I can test, let's see, this is -5, this is -4. B has to be less than -6. Or this would be -7. So less than -6 would be going this way. Because -7 is less than -6. So make sure that you have all of those things copied. Push pause if you need to. But this is what I'm looking for on your paper. You need to remember to, if there's not a number there, there is, because we have to have 1b. All right, now we will do maybe the graph the inequality, which is the bottom one here. And since we're graphing x is, I'm going to draw my number line. The point that I have is -2.75. This will be -3. This will be -2.50. Now, that has a line underneath it, so it should be a closed circle. And -3 is less than -275. So I owe somebody $3 is worse than. So that means that yours will go this way. There's the answer to that one.